part one of the radiator install for the 1948 Chevrolet Double Duty. Enjoy.
Alright, see if that finally come off.
Like butter.
That's too perfect. Now maybe we can actually mount the radiator.
Yeah, and you know what? Look here. If we have to put something in there,
Yeah.
that frame might make that though. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go grab that piece and we'll figure it out. Yeah.
The back of the radiator can't come any farther than this.
The back of it?
Or the front of the radiator can't come any farther than this, because this is what the grate mounts on, right?
A little heat.
You can't even see the slot.
I think it's up and down, isn't it? Yeah, put all that weight into it.
I didn't know if I was in the...
God damn it.
Too much weight into it.
Yeah. It's alright. Well, you just...
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Did I cut you?
A couple times. Yeah. Well, there goes my sex life.
We're gonna go pull that out.